In past years, banking was really a tough job, and to perform any action regarding the money transfer, depositing, etc., anything would visit the bank physically and perform some of their tasks and rules. But after the arrival of online banking functionality, the world mostly have taken up the pride along that and joined up the league. Now, most of the people find it much secure to put their money in their bank accounts through the online accounts and manage all other transactions like that only. But getting not whole secure from the hackers who can also approach you anyhow, you should still try to confirm the hard security of your online bank accounts. Here in this article, we have listed some of the things that you could do to make your online banking much more safe and secure. Number 1. Password. Most of the people never tend to use the passwords that are too hard to learn, but they never know that short and easy passwords can be a real value for the hackers, and they can easily crack these up. Try to make up the passwords that are a combination of words, alphabets, and depends on the variability of upper or lower case too. Number 2. Two-factor authentication. First of all, activate this feature for your account, and then every time you shall log onto your account, it will require the unique password that you will get on your phone at every new entry to the account. Number 3. PC check. Check your PC for any keyloggers, harmful hacking-related software deeply if your PC is used by someone else also. There could be the chances that you could give up your account credentials to someone unknowingly through these hacking software. Number 4. Smartphone check. Keep your smartphone that you mostly use for logging into the bank account very much safe, and remain on keeping up the detailed look for any of the harmful or security breaking apps, etc., that could harm your account by misusing account details. Number 5. Beware of fake emails and calls. Never give up your bank account details on any such email links or the calls very soon, as these could be the approach of the hackers. Just find up some details about the sites and links that you shall use for the banking transactions, and then only go for these.